Hello. In this video, we're going to explore how to invite someone to your organization through Gmail using the Trupeer platform. Once you're on the home page, look for the Organization option in the menu on the left side. Go ahead and click on it to access the organization page. If you're the admin and you want to invite someone specific, you have the necessary access to do so. To invite a person, simply click on the Add Member option, enter the person's email ID, and then click on Send Invitation. The invitation has now been sent. You'll be able to see the details of the invitation, including the date, status, and type. Additionally, you have the option to manage the invitation. By clicking on Manage Invitation, you can choose to revoke or resend the invitation. In this case, I've already sent the invitation. To verify, check the particular account. Open that account and you'll see the person you've invited. Navigate to the email associated with that account. You'll find a message inviting the person to join the organization. When you open the message, there will be an Accept Invitation button. Clicking it will trigger a pop-up for joining the organization. Just click the Accept button on the pop-up. Once you do that, the person is automatically added to the organization. That's how you can invite a new member to your organization through Gmail. Thank you for watching.